It's like my gone back at church.
First of the face here, the voice, and I don't know, say a coach, I say, but a coach, and say, react, channel. And today, we have suspect AGB GenZK. Alright, or GenZK. You understand? Because we don't know. We always need for roll with the ZK or the shits. But doing a play on words, Gen Z. You understand? Gen Z. Gen ZK. I don't know. That's one of my nicknames on the reaction channel. Either, you know, Triggs from Trigonometry Gang. You understand? KO from kogency. Or ZK. You understand? For short and Zach. So yeah, if it's not Triggs, KO, it's gotta be ZK. So you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely connection. The connection already here already. So I'm vibing already. I don't know. I don't even hear a kick. I don't hear a melody. I don't hear no bars yet. And I'm already liking it. Because my nickname is in the title. Anyway, shut up. Shut up. Puss you. Shut. I run. I come post. Shut up. Anyway. Hit the like button. Jump in the comments. Subscribe. Let's get to 7K. We're at 6.8. So let's be great. You understand? Get me to 7K, nigga. Shit. Fuck. Hit the like button. Jump in the comments. Hit the links in the description as well. Check out my new single on the music channel. Don't Give Up is a reggae single. So if you like reggae music, go check it out. Even if you don't like reggae music, just support your bro. Support your boy. Support kogency. Support ZK. You understand? And yeah, music channel, gaming channel, and Instagram links in the description. So check it out. Before I forget shut it out. You understand? You know what I'm saying? It went for his chest and come out his back and over way around it. Got what? Anyway, sorry. Let me start the video. Hit the like, jump in the comments, check out the description, support on all other platforms, and let's go.
I'm just thinking we're a little bit fucked. Just 22 inch guts. Tell my pack and in that bun, that fuck these hoes. I just want
Solar, this was
fuck these hoes.
Stuck in the car.
Recoil mate.
What's that?
It's a little too late for sorry, nigga. You're just sorry that you got caught. My dog got milk and caught in my back.
No, bro. Is he? Remember, Rihanna said at first, you know. So suspect is inspired by Riri. Don't say it, you're sorry, cause you're not. Nigga, I just know you're only sorry you got caught. Yeah. Why you running? I come back. Sorry, bro. Sorry, son. No, why you sorry? You wasn't sorry when you was chatting shit on Snapchat last night. You wasn't sorry when you and your bros was talking about you was smoking my bro. So why you sorry now? No, you're only sorry you got caught. Nigga, hold this shit, nigga. Nigga, hold this chef, nigga. Yeah, nigga, hold this ying. Hold this ching, nigga.
Too late for sorry, nigga. You're just sorry that you got caught. My dog got milk and pork, but caught in my back. He sport himself in the port. I used to get shook, mum send me F. I run it from F. I got the port. I didn't go caught.
Man said I used to get shook. Mum would send me F. If you know you get in trouble, and your parents would be like, yo, we're gonna send you back home. Send you back to the home country. Everybody that's from an immigrant family know what that's like. What? Yeah. No, I like that set. But when he was on the run, the man ended up back in Africa said way. So hey, should have just went there from the jump. Mom should have just sent you there.
I used to get shook, mum send me F. I run it from F. I got the port. They gave me 24 respectfully. Fuck that whore. When shit gets easy, that gang get busy. A man don't care if it's fizzy. Keep saying gang don't shoot. It's been 9 years since Chuck done something silly. They filming bridges, what time save, not really.
It's been 9 years since what? Man, they let me know what he said right there and what he meant by that, please.
Gang don't shoot. It's been 9 years since Chuck done something silly. They filming bridges, what time save, not really. Niggas get killed in case the one here.
Man says one side safe, not really, and niggas get killed in killy. Bro, sometimes just take out the censorship, bro. Cause I hear exactly what you said. From you start off the word with and like, bro, I hear it. No matter how much you kill, bro, I heard you, bro. You said one side and kill it. Just leave it in. Give me the straight uncensored disrespect.
Any silly, they filming bridges, what time save, not really. Niggas get killed in case the bonnet burn like chili. We tell your boy to have that baby. smoke that fag with a cig, it's B&H, that Algerian kids. That might be a Berber, therefore a barber. You can't get sharp and shake and giz. When Lalo traded hammers in Hammer, flew back in trying to tap some wigs in Camden's dead. That random grips get hit Brent or Hammersmith. Ask him that he got butts when he got your bag. I'll tell you, I boys are mad cause they got kills and we got kills, but they got gang, we got name brands. I miss AK, we swings AKs and rip SKs cause we miss famo.
Wow. No, but that put it into perspective still. They're saying, bro, the niggas that we got down, their names over there. Y'all got down some random, like, stragglers niggas. You know what I'm saying? Niggas that weren't even on smoke like that. Niggas that was literally just, you know, walking around the ends, just chilling. They wasn't in the war full time, like, watching them, you know, watching over them shoulder and, you know what I'm saying, they've done dirt. So, you know what I'm saying? Those aren't the guys y'all niggas packed. Respectfully, like, RIP, bro, but bro wasn't on that, though. Real shit. So you can't brag about that. I can brag about getting your nigga down, though. Because, yeah, he came over here and we went back over there and now he can't go anywhere again. Like, bro, put it into perspective, nigga. Shit. From the perspective of a murderer, nigga. That's what this tape should name, you know. A murderer's perspective. I hope. Suspect, your next tape, you need to name it A Murderer's Perspective. Or something to do with murder and coming from your perspective. People messaging my phone. Nigga, fuck off. Nigga, bro, I'll ying up whoever texting my phone right now, you know. Stop.
But they got gang, we got name brands. I miss AK, we swings AKs and rip SKs cause we miss famo. Bam it bros and hit his marrow. Jingling bells, that's extra ammo. A little too late for sorry, nigga. You're just sorry that you got caught. My dog up north in port, but caught in my pack, export himself in the port. I used to get shook, mum send me AFA. Run it from AFA, got the port. They gave me 24, respectfully, fuck that whore. It's a little too late to say no stop. I waited patiently for this drop. These dead ops burnt my pocket, forgot. Can't feed his lungs with a normal job. I got anemia and I know bud is love, she's doing it.
Wait, sorry, what am I saying? These dead ups burnt my pockets for guap. Can't feed his lungs with a normal job. Oh, because the war needs so much, bro. The man of fear invest so much. So when him done investing in a war, him not no more money left. Yeah, everything, every cent, every dime, every pinky, you know, every Lizzie note is going straight to buying and shanks and dingers and peds. You understand? God damn, bro. Shit. Nigga, yeah, talk about living it. God damn.
My pocket forgot, can't feed his lungs with a normal joke. I got anemia and I know bud is love. She's doing anything for the tongues. It's lost, she give me the tightest hug. I come from the trench, we stepped on bugs, we stepped on roaches, stepped on rats. I passed my sats, then went to the flats. No.
Is he saying that he stepped on bugs because Bug from 12 Auntie? Is he trying to say that? Let me know in the comments. Cause I know sometimes like I make connections that aren't there. So I know I can be wrong. So just let me know.
Come from the trench, we stepped on bugs, we stepped on roaches, stepped on rats. I passed my sats, then went to the flats. No GCSE, just felt a maths. Class A level, table to tag. Tops on bottoms, belts and hats. I drink in a bloodhound, drink like Vlad. I see in collapse. I'm still trying to X that cut. I wanna collab. I get them munchies, crave a kebab. I get them munchies, want some Nando's. Had man running.
Sorry. Man, them, I did not realize what he just said. Man said, I get hungry and want a kebab. I'm sorry. He just said, when he gets hungry, he wants a kebab. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't want to show any support of that line, bro. Because I know what he's referring to. It went through his chest and it came out his back and all the way around. What? No. I don't want no kebab. No. Take whatever is on the kebab off the stick. Put it on a plate for me, please, because Suspect has ruined all kebabs for the rest of my life, for the rest of my existence. Every time I think of a kebab, I'm going to think it went for his chest and it come out his back and all the way around when it's got whacked. I can't even enjoy food because I'm thinking about murder. Wake up in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11s, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating, trying to knock me off my grind. But I can't let them do it. I got murder on my mind. Sorry. I need to finish the song. I'm getting distracted. My apologies.
Like Hender's Frango, his last meal was the longest ramble. 6 shots I felt like Jan.
I heard his last meal was the longest Rambo. Stop, bro. Stop.
Nando's had man running like Henders Frango. His last meal was the longest Rambo. 6 shots, I felt like Django. Didn't want standoff, didn't want tango. He put his hand up, gave his arm for his mango. Fuck that, we gotta go back, bro. A little too didn't want standoff, didn't want tango. He put his hand up, gave his arm for his mango. Oh, because you try chefing his head and he's like, no, stop. So you get, Jesus. Bro, the imagery. Imagination in the nation. And gave his arm for his mango. Fuck that, we gotta go back, bro. A little too late for sorry, nigga. You're just sorry that you got caught. My dog got milk and port. Got caught in my pack, export himself in the port. I used to get shook, mum send me F. I run it from F. I got the port. I didn't got caught, they gave me 24. Respectfully, fuck that whore.
Sorry ass niggas, man.
Sorry ass niggas, man.
Exola, this one's nuts.
Sorry ass
I'm
niggas,
so sorry
man.
that you sorry, man.
Recoil
I'm
mate.
so sorry that you sorry, man. Oh, sorry ass niggas, bro. Yeah, nigga, sorry. Nigga, I'm sorry, nigga. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, oh, oh. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? Sorry. I'm sorry. Bro, I keep getting distracted. I've sung like 4 or 5 different songs while just trying to react to this song, bro. It's just how my brain, the brainium and the cranium gets instantaneum, all right? I don't even know what I'm saying, Sorry. I'm a bit too excited. This song was nice, bro. I already told you I was vibing from before it start, and when it start, it never stop. It just kept going. No disappointment. You understand? For my enjoyment. I know if the girl want me, she have to make an appointment, and then I rub her down with some ointment. Sorry. I'm getting distracted. I like it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. This is along the lines of the suspect level of disrespect. Yeah, I'm saying. So I'm loving it. Suspicious activity too. Yeah. For the whole of the crew. You understand? Me and you. You know what I'm saying? And your boo. Shit, nigga. What the fuck do you, nigga? Shit, nigga. What you gonna do? Alright, sorry. See, I keep getting distracted. Relax. Like the video. Comment. Subscribe before I ying you, nigga. Wave and shave and a man try ying that. Sorry. Subscribe. Jump in the comments. Hit the like button. Check out the music channel. New reggae single out on all streaming platforms. Anywhere you listen to music, go and listen to kogency new single. Don't give up. Link in the description. Link to the Instagram in the description. Follow me on Instagram. Send me a DM and say, yo, bro, I followed you. And let me follow you back. You understand? Yeah. I'm following back everybody from the reaction channel. Because y'all my family. My family. You understand? My G them. Follow back. Link up. Create a family. Community. Environment. You understand? And the TikTok as well. So, everything. Follow. Like, comment, subscribe, click the links in the description. Let me know if you like this song. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know what else you want to see me react to. Yeah, and I'll give you the next song tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Out. Kogency. No, out. This motherfucker, man. Peace. Bow.
Give me what we need to survive, so don't give up. Try and live up, them can't stop you now. Judge, I love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you now. Don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now. Judge, I love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you now.